Hello everyone, welcome back again. Now, what we have done in last class, आपको याद है कि हमने last class में क्या करा था? नहीं याद है? We have done vowels and vowels से related हमने एक story भी करी थी. सबको वो story याद है? Ant, elephant, ice cream, umbrella, कुछ याद आया? Okay, I know you all are very intelligent और सबको पता है कि वो story सबको याद होगी. Now, today we will start with sound of A. What is the sound? A. A says apple. A says ant. A says X. I hope this you all have done in your English. You have done this in your English class? Now, let's start with our class. Now, open page number 7. Open page number 7 of your playful activity. Playful activity में हम कितने pages कर चुके हैं? Did you count? No, even I don't know. Okay, jokes apart, let's start with our session. Yes, A sound. A sounds means mat, cat, bat. पढ़ा है आपने? A sounds पढ़े कि नहीं पढ़े हैं? Okay, now A sound words. What is the sound word? A. As you all know, mad, bat, cat is the A sound words. Now what is the activity? Unscramble the letters to make A sound words. Unscramble means jumble. यहाँ पे सब उल्टा फुल्टा लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा है? उल्टा फुल्टा लिखा हुआ है ना? T कहीं है, C कहीं है. लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा है? So first we will identify the pictures. Can you identify the picture? What is this? What is this? What is the sound of this animal? Meow meow. Is this the sound it makes? So this is, say loudly. Yes, very good. This is cat. Now, what is the spelling of cat? It is TCA or ATC? No, it is. What is the spelling of cat? What is the spelling of cat? Yes, C A T. Cat. This is the spelling of cat. Now, is it making A sound? Yes. Now, you will write it here also. C A T. Cat. Okay? Done all of you? Now, what is this? Man. And what is the spelling of man? Say loudly. Yes. M A N. Man. Repeat after me. M A N. Man. What is this? What is this? What is this? This is rat. And rat love to eat. अच्छा, rat से याद आया, हमारा एक कार्टून भी आता है ना रैट से रिलेटेड. क्या नाम है उसका? क्या नाम है? यस, टॉम एंड जेरी. हाउ कैन वी फॉरगेट टॉम एंड जेरी? टॉम एंड जेरी क्या करता है? टॉम एंड जेरी क्या करता है? हाँ, क्या करता है टॉम एंड जेरी? चीज के पीछे भागता है. जब टॉम जेरी को पकड़ने के लिए चीज रखता है कि नहीं रखता है, तो चीज कौन खाता है? रैट. एंड व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ रैट? R A T. Rat. R A T. Rat. What is this? Gab. गैप क्या होता है? What is this? ये हम कहाँ लेके जाते हैं? School. And what is this? Bag. What is the spelling of bag? B A G. B A G. Bag. Now, next. What is this? हम summers में क्या पहनते हैं? Hat. What is the spelling of hat? H A C. Hat. H A T. Hat. Next is, जब हम स्कूल से घर जाते हैं तो हमें वैन लेने आती है कि नहीं आती है? तो दिस इज वैन. V A N. Van. V A N. Van. Now what is this? This is tag. अच्छा, tag का क्या यूज होता है? When we go to the for shopping, when we go to buy new clothes, तो हमारे कपड़ों पे एक स्लिप लगी होती है जिससे प्राइस लिखा होता है कि this cost 200, this cost 400, लिखा रहता है कि नहीं लिखा रहता है? So that is called tag. C A G. Tag. T A G. Tag. Done? So what we have done today, let's recall once. We have learned A sound words. What we have learned? A sound words. Cat, man, rat, bag, hat, van, and tag. There are many more A sound words and you can easily read those words in your English alphabet books. Now it's time to take leave from you and I'll be sending you the assignment related to this topic. You have to complete it. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.